So glassy and so shallow. Oh my gosh, go right! Oh my side.
That's to the left.
What? Go Dustin! What? Oh my side. What the heliante, bro? Oh my golly. Peoples, we are back. It is the day after Project Deep 2.0 and we are looking for waves. It is 2:15 and we have only just woke up. Pulling up. Oh my golly, it's so glassy.
Oh my days!
So the thoughts are this. Today is going to be the beginning, so we're just going to check. We need to try to figure out. We're waiting for the tide to come up. Nice t-shirts, lads. Project Deep. Is the guys out? There's no one out there either.
Why is there no light?
There's lifeguards there though. Oh my gosh, lads. Oh my gosh.
It looks so much, it's way closer to the beach here.
We're gonna have a look what it's looking like if there's sets. Usually this is a lot bigger, but the swell might be a bit weird. Okay, we're gonna go have a check. Potentially could be on. Okay, we've just pulled up. Let's go check, let's go check. Potentials. I have no idea what to expect. I think it might be small though. One guy out, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, look at this right wedge.
Oh my days.
Bro, it feels more on the shoulder.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Little barrel. Oh my sack. Oh. What? Bro, that thing spat like a what?
There's more coming.
Look at that. It was crazy. Oh my sack. What? Check this thing. Are you kidding me?
There's a shark spotters in this thing.
I have no idea. And they stood up there. So they are shark spotters here. Bro, that thing was psycho. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, look at this left. This thing's gonna spurt. Oh my gosh. What?
Next one.
Next one? No way. That was makeable. What? Oh yeah, we've come down to water level to see how big it actually is. Because if that thing's like makeable, oh my sack, that could be insane. Chicken. Oh my sack.
That's to the left.
Go Grom! Go Grom! What? Double! It's so glassy. This is gonna be, oh my sack, I'm like tweaking. Wow, okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, I just want to say a huge shout out to the Back to Nature.
Big Daddy Waddy.
They've got this, such an amazing brand. We're so stoked to be a part of the team. But yeah, Back to Nature, such an easy application, works so well. So honored. Let's get out there and go get some waves. Ew! Oh my gosh. Back to Nature. It is absolutely firing. What? It's just A-frames all over the place. Oh, we're gonna have a, oh! Ooh, let's go. All right there. Daryl, go! Go, Daryl, go! This is the spot. Oh my sack is insane. Happy.
But I was like, I'm gonna dive. So I went forward and just got it surfing.
Let's go. So glassy and so shallow. Oh my gosh, look at that right! Look at that right! What the sack? What? Go Daryl! Go right! Go Dustin! Go! Oh my sack! What? Look at that thing! Go Dustin! Go! Oh, he kicks it! Ah! Is that where we should be sitting? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this wet, right, Daryl? Oh. Oh my sap. Right, Kate just got a bomb, oh my gosh. What the helly? Oh my gosh, that right down there. What the helly? Broski. Beautiful, muddy one. All the way. Go, 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 go. That's good. Oh my days, this thing. Stoked! Where was this dude? Davey, where were you, bro? Woo! Guys, dude, bro, I traveled with that thing so long. Bro, it's so crowded now, it's like 30 guys out. Check who we found again. He's back. Getting some bulbs.
I'm gonna be able to do this in a while.
It's the first time Destin's wearing a wetsuit in like months. Oh my gosh! No! 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 What? You check that wave! If a few more come through, might have to pull over there. It's so difficult, it's like not really that big. And it's difficult to actually find a peak that's going to run. So you just gotta flip and hope and wait. Complete the arrow! Go Ollie, go! Go Ollie! That was insane. No, you go. Go, go, go. Go, Destin. Go, Destin. Go. Go right, Daryl. Go right. Bro, that ride was crazy.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm out. I'm absolutely freezing. Boys have gone out for a little shore break. Yeah, our tide's kind of way too high. The waves are massive down there though. What the heliante, bro? Oh my golly. That was sick. Like, it's not barreling. We're here for barrels. Oh my gosh, it goes right. Go, Luke! Go! Oh, shucked! Shucked! Where did that come from? Look at this cook. Pull in. Oh my gosh. Never have I ever. Oh, cooked. Oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, that's actually a really good wave. This guy's gonna get shagged. Oh, there's a bomb. Destin. Oh, you cook. You cook. Please, look at that thing. Go, no! Are you kidding me? Bro, that ride's just going. What? Bro, imagine more of those things come through. We might have to stay. Bro, it's freezing. Oh my gosh. Man just cooked the barrel. What just went on there? That was crazy. Bro. We're gonna head back to the house, maybe hop in the shower, get warm, and then hell out again.
No!